So now let's see how we can utilize specialized GPT called Data Analyst inside of ChatGPT right here. So if I were to go around on to explore GPTs, then I can scroll down and over here you can see that Data Analyst is an option under by ChatGPT right here. So if I were to go around under Data Analyst itself, I can go around and start the chat as you can see right here. And then I can go around and drop in any files and it says I can analyze and visualize your data. So let me just go around and upload this from computer right here. And I'm going to go around onto my desktop right here, just like this, where I have an Excel file. So I'm just going to go around and say visualize this data using a graph right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here and do that, then it analyzes out that particular content right there in Excel, and you can see that it says analyzing right there, and then it'll create a graph out of it accordingly. And over here you can see that these are different prices of fruits right here, as you can see right here. And then these are the prices of different units of fruits, and you can see that it visualized this data and gave me a bar chart according to it, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can utilize the Data Analyst specialized GPT inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.